So hello students, in this video we are taking exercise 7.2 question number 6, which is given if these are the coordinates or the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find the value of x and y. So that diagram I have made already. So this is taken in order, it means A, B, C, D continuous form we have to write. We cannot write this coordinate here and this coordinate here, and we cannot change its order. So it is already given. So first of all, as we all know, this is parallelogram, and diagonals of parallelogram is what? Bisecting each other. Diagonals of parallelogram bisecting each other. So for AC, if I speak about AC, this O must be midpoint, and if O is midpoint, then the ratio will be 1:1. So as you know, for diagonal AC, for diagonal AC, coordinates of O will be what? As you know, 1 plus x upon 2, this is for x, and 2 plus 6 upon 2. Okay, so which will be equal to 1 plus x by 2 comma 8 by 2, which is, or directly here I am writing 4. Okay, 4. This is for AC. Similarly, BD is also a diagonal, and it is a diagonal of parallelogram. So for diagonal BD, coordinates of O will be what? As you know, coordinates of O will be 4 plus 3, that is 7. Directly may I write 7 by 2 for x, 7 by 2, comma y plus 5 by 2. This will be coordinates of O for diagonal BD. And since these are the coordinate of the same point, since these are the coordinates of common point O, therefore x must be equal to this x. So 1 plus x upon 2 must be equal to 7 by 2. This will cancel out. So x must be equal to 6, and this y plus 5 by 2 must be equal to 4. So y plus 5 cross multiply 8, y must be equal to 3. Therefore we had to find the value of x and y. So x is coming 6 and y is coming 3. This will be your answer. Now we have taken question number 7 of the same exercise, that is given. Find the coordinates of point A, where AB is a diameter of a circle whose center is 2, -3 and B is 1, 4. So let coordinates of point A is x1, y1. Okay, we have taken let coordinates of point A is x1, y1. So as you know, by using section formula, x is what? M x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Okay, m n plus 1, and this is what? Value of x, and this is value of y. So 2 is equal to m is what? Ratio. As you know, this is center of a circle, so center is what? Midpoint of a diameter. So this will be 1:1. So value of m will be, this will be 1:1. So m into x2 is what? 1. So 1 into 1 plus n is what? Again 1 into x1 we have to find, and this is 2. So 2 2s are 4 is equal to 1 plus x1. therefore x1 equal to 3. Value of x1 is coming 3, and similarly y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. So value of y is minus 3 is equal to 1 into y2 4 plus n is 1 into y1 we have to find upon 2. So this will be minus 6 is equal to 4 plus y1, therefore y1 is equal to minus 10. Therefore required coordinates are coordinates is point A, it was 3 comma minus 10. This will be your answer. So I think so you understand, and you can solve some of the questions which is left. It is for your practice only, because if you want to be good in maths, you need to practice hard, you need to solve as many as questions you can. So please try so many questions, and if you have any doubt, post your comment. Thank you.